Hello viewers. Welcome to our How to video series. In this video I would show you how to use the discovery feature on Socioboard. With this feature, you can discover trending videos on YouTube and tweets on Twitter. But before moving on, first like this video so this video would gain more views by the people who want to know more about Socioboard. And also, please share this video, click on the red button to subscribe, and hit on the bell icon to get all notifications of our new video updates. Here in the Socioboard dashboard screen, on the right side of Home, you can see the Discovery option. After selecting that, there you can see several options. There click on Discovery, select Social. There you will get two options, YouTube and Twitter. Here we have selected YouTube. On the next page, you have the search option to discover the most trending videos on YouTube. There you can search videos by keyword relevance or by the title. Or you can even search for videos based on their rating and view counts. For example, here, we have taken cake as a keyword to search for relevant videos. After clicking on the search, you will get all the trending cake-related videos on YouTube. There you can also share videos with a single click to your social profiles. If you click on Show Original, it will take you to the original video. Now coming back to Discovery again, select Social and click on Twitter. Just like the earlier, we have discovered relevant YouTube videos based on keywords. Here also we can look for trending tweets using relevant keywords. There you can type and search for any keyword you want. As you can see, here we have searched with a keyword food to find the relevant tweets. In a single click, you can reshare it on your social platforms. Also, you may click on Show Original to go to the original tweet. That's all in this video. Hope you have gained from this video. And if you would like to view more videos like this about Socioboard, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon to get all notifications of our newer videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.